Can you use Gentec-EO meters with the good old MATLAB? Let's find out. Hello everyone, Kevin here from Gentec-EO, your favorite partner for accuracy, I'm sure. Okay, today we're going to answer a question that we kind of get here and there, and it's, can you use Gentec-EO meters with MATLAB? And the answer to that question is quite simply yes. Yes, you can. So first, when we talk about Gentec-EO meters, which means anything like Maestro, Integra, U-Link, P-Link, all the rest, you just have to keep in mind that they all support serial communication. So you know the old school process where you have to initialize the serial port, or the COM port as it's called on Windows, or TTY on Linux. Then you define the baud rate, the data bits, yada yada. And so what's nice about all that is that MATLAB in fact also supports serial communication. To find info on this, just search online MATLAB serial and you'll definitely find the official page about this subject from MathWorks, who develops MATLAB. We'll put a link in the description of this video also. Now even better, we also have a small example that shows all of that, like an actual .m file for MATLAB, which we can provide on request, and here is how it looks like. So you can see how we initialize the serial port right here, which basically just means we establish a connection with the meter, and then here, right here, we send a slightly boring command, I must say, *ver, which simply returns the firmware version of the device. But you know, no matter the command you send, that's how you would do it. And again, you can contact us if you want that MATLAB example. Note also that we can provide some help and troubleshooting for your MATLAB code, but it's very limited, so the rest really is up to you at this point. Now I want to finish by saying that we also have an example of how to interface our PC Beamage software directly with MATLAB, so you know, for beam profilers. But this is some next level stuff that goes beyond the scope of this video, so for that, just contact us if you are interested. So that's it. Thank you everyone, and feel free to contact us if you have any questions.